Top 10 fastest birds in the world. 10. Anna's hummingbird, max speed, 98.27 kilometers per hour. 9. Gray-headed albatross, max speed, 127 kilometers per hour. 8. Rock dove, max speed, 148.9 kilometers per hour. 7. Red-breasted merganser, max speed, 129 kilometers per hour. 6. Spur-winged goose, max speed, 142 kilometers per hour. 5. Frigate bird, max speed, 153 kilometers per hour. 4. Eurasian hobby, max speed, 160 kilometers per hour. 3. White-throated needletail, max speed, 169 kilometers per hour. 2. Golden eagle, max speed, 240 to 320 kilometers per hour. 1. Peregrine falcon, max speed, 389 kilometers per hour. Thank you for watching.